What is going on, people? It's your boy Slows Decimus. Welcome to the channel. Um, Today is a bitter day. It's a day of pain and heartache, a day of sorrow and suffering, a day that I will not forget in the near history. My computer fried. I fried my computer. My current laptop got fried. Um, in South Africa, we have something called load shedding, where all the power goes up because our power stations suck. The government controlling the power stations suck. Everything just sucks. So my laptop was connected to the UPS. The UPS did some funny stuff, which ended up frying my laptop. So therefore, I had to get a new laptop. Yeah. And I know it's tough. Luck. Come on now. Yeah, so today we're going to be unboxing the ASUS TUF gaming laptop. Yeah, because I fried my previous computer, I had to get a new one for work. It hurts. Like, I think my bank is going to call me tomorrow and say, yo dog, what? So please, if you are watching this, please like this channel. I'm close to one of my first milestones on this channel, so I would really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get to this unboxing. So what we're working with here is a Ryzen 7 gaming laptop. I've never in my life used a Ryzen. The guy at the store was selling me on Ryzen so much. He was like, man, every benchmark test we've run, the Ryzen's always kicked the i7 out the park. Don't even worry about it. I got you. So he sold me on that. So the first time I'm using i7, super excited. Ryzen 7, so super excited for that. Working with a Ryzen 7 2.9 gigahertz processor, 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM, 512 gigabytes NVMe SSD, and a GTX graphics card. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing.
Alright, unboxing time. Alright, good looking box. Always the best part. Gets me all wet, moist. Sexy box over there. You gotta buy me dinner first, girl. Come on now. First up, we got the laptop. Straight out the box. It does have some fingerprints on the side there because it did install a 1 terabyte HDD hard drive. It does come with an additional slot for that, as well as an additional SSD slot. Over there, you got your warranty paperwork, terms and conditions that nobody reads. Always good to have on block. On the side there, got your charging block. Gotta stay energized, ready to go. And on the right we have a cable. So not much in the box, very simple experience. I expected more. The box got me all hyped. Yeah, it's good, sexy unboxing experience. I really enjoyed it. 10 out of 10 in chat again.
Alright, the exterior looks pretty good. It's got your vents on the back. Let's see, ports here. It's got an HDMI port, LAN cable port, 2 USB ports, your USB type C, and your microphone jack. So it's a singular microphone jack. And then it's got one other USB input on the side there. And then you're locked for your computer. All in all, not a bad exterior. I did see one at the store that said military grade. So I was like, oh, what am I, Iron Man? I was tempted to get a military grade laptop. I don't know what that means. It just makes me feel kind of special, you know what I mean? The interior is what you'd expect. Keys. Very durable keys. So let's see what we're working with. It does have military grade here, so I don't know what that means. It's got a second SSD slot, which is sick. Honeycomb design. Self-cleaning fan, which is dope. And then your RGB. No one cares about RGB. Come on But yeah. Let's power it on. And obviously I have to set it up and everything. But that is it for this unboxing of this ASUS TUF. Hopefully it does the job, covers my needs, what I need to do. I also had a 1 terabyte HDD hard drive inputted into the computer, so that's additional storage for me. All in all, excited to use it. I'm gonna miss my baby over here. Show you guys my baby. It's my baby. We've been through a lot, but yeah, I guess we have to move on. Very sad, very sad. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll give a review in a week's time, a month's time, let you know how this computer is working, how it's operating, if it does the job. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you guys could, almost reaching one of my first milestones on this channel, so if you could like, subscribe to the channel. I don't like saying that, it makes me feel icky. But yeah, YouTube things. Thank you guys for watching.